We're currently at Abercarn, Stately-Albion's facility for building residential park homes. We're here today with Sam, one of our long-standing MDF moulding suppliers.
The working relationship between Sam and Stately-Albion is engaging. From our communications, we learned that Stately-Albion needed a solution that would save time and manufacturing space within their facility. As a result, we offered our fully finished products and tailored service for their requirements. The feedback we had was excellent. They've improved efficiencies within their manufacturing line and added value and quality to their product.
Sam adds value to Stately-Albion by providing us with a quality product which we can fit in our homes, which gives a resemblance to a show home on any new build site that you would go on. It's easy to fit. We get far less rework with Sam's mouldings than we did with our previous suppliers, and it's a quality product.
Since we've been using Sam's and they've been introduced to the factory, it's bought in at size and it's easier to use. We put the frames together, they put on the line, the openings are ready for us. The frames are fixed, made square, doors are hung, architraves and door stops are fitted, finished article.
Sam's MDF lines were better finished than our previous plastic ones. There's no need to paint it, they're all fully finished. They're more durable than the plastic and they're more modern and keen on the eye. One of the best features is when we fix the line in, you can fix the screw behind the doorstop. There's no need of plugging the MDF or the wood, it just goes behind the doorstop and it's all concealed. I would recommend Sam's MDF. I've used softwood in the past, linings, plastic linings, hardwood linings, and these ones in particular are easy to use, they're a great finish. And me myself, when I'm working on my hands, fitting them, it's just a lot easier.
Sam's is far superior finish than anything we've ever used really. It's an easier product to work with, cleaner finish, and I think it's the way forward.
And our relationship with Sam goes from strength to strength. Year on year, we're building better relations with them. And without Sam, we wouldn't be able to deliver the quality product that we want to give our customers.